Are you getting the Qt5SerialPort.dll error after the Qt framework update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. As we get into the manual process for Qt5SerialPort, you can find a professional maintenance utility for environment stability. This is the Qt5SerialPort, the Qt5SerialPort library. It provides unmanaged routines for RS-232 serial communication, managing the hardware data link between the app and the localized peripheral manifest. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error typically means a core application file is missing from the Qt Framework installation path. Reinstalling the latest official version of Qt Framework is the fastest way to restore Qt5SerialPort.dll and get the program running again. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Qt5SerialPort file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace Qt5SerialPort.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. For users seeking workflow improvements, the utility below references maintenance concepts related to Qt5SerialPort. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Qt5SerialPort dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission